Welcome back to A Minute with Miranda. This week,
Miranda, I got a problem. I need you to come over here, please.
Just a minute. What's going on, Brittany?
Miranda, when I plug into this remote, I have tried every combination of wrist strap, cord, tried ESD lotion, and it keeps alarming. Like, what am I doing wrong?
Well, you're doing everything right by checking all these different ones. So we know these aren't bad wrist straps or cords. So maybe there's something going on with the remote here. Let's check the jack. Let's change out the jack maybe and see if maybe the spring went bad in it or something. Let's do that. Okay.
Let's do that.
All right. Okay, we're getting the final touches on here. Make sure this is tightened up. Okay, let's try it out. No alarms. That was an easy fix.
Stay grounded.